welcome back to my channel. Today I have had a request to film what is in my handbag. What is in my handbag? What's in my handbag? So today I will be showing you what is inside my handbag. 1 second. Gio, can you see Gio? Hi Gio. Hi. And here is my handbags. It sounds like I carry a lot of medication or tablets. So I'll just put it around me so that I don't drop it. First of all, what I have in my handbag is my ID card. Look at me on my first day with my curls and my bouncy hair. Yes, corporate office. I then have earphones. I don't know why I have these because they're actually broken. They don't even work. So I went from having only the right ear working to it only working if I held it while it was plugged in, to the microphone not working and it not working altogether. So that's why I was carrying around my Beats headphones, but realised this doesn't actually go into my fucking iPhone. So I don't know why I have that in there either. Gio's taking a little nap. You right there, Gio? And next we have, this is what's rattling around in my bag, making it sound like I've got tons of medication, which I actually do carry a lot of medication with me, but this is my Mentos White Bubble Mint. It always have to have gum in my bag. I feel like it's not very exciting. I then carry my umbrella, so this is like a really small compact umbrella that keeps me dry, but it's so weak in the wind. I'm fighting the wind, guys. I'm fighting it. And then I have a packet of tissues. If you know me, I'll get nervous and my nose will start running, or I'll get hot on the train and my nose will start bleeding. I'm that person, so I have to have tissues with me all the time. And then of course I have my Hunka Chunka wallet, which has got all my cards in and my millions of fucking dollars in here. Yep, can't show you. It's too many, it's too much. Not allowed. And then I have my little Chloe rollerball perfume. So wherever I go, I can find it to freshen up. Give myself a little Chloe. And then my house keys, which match my wallet. I do have the matching bag, but we just got them in a different bag at the moment. And then good old travel card, my bus pass. So I also carry some Nivea Soft, like to cream myself now and again, especially with all this hand washing going on. My hands are so dry. Yeah. Hair tie. And it's a blonde one. I don't know if you noticed, but I like to use blonde hair ties because it looks better than wearing the black ones with my highlight. And then we have not one, but we have 2 different types of hand sanitizer. So we've got a gel and we've got a spray, which is quite handy. And these times you want to be my best friend, because underneath my bed I have stock of hand sanitizers. Like, they used to get confiscated from me all the time because apparently I used it too much, but now I've got all the stock. And then I always carry a pen with me, I don't know, just in case I need to sign some checks. My little NYX lip liner. I like to carry around a lip liner instead of a lipstick. It's less messy, it's quick, and fill in your lips real quick. We've got some Carmex in there, just in case your lips are feeling a little bit dry or crack-a-lacking. We've got some receipts. That's not a receipt, that's a plaster, just in case. Actually, this plaster should go in this. So, this is the holy grail. Like, this I take everywhere. I take it on holiday with me. I put it in every bag that I change into, because I'm always scared that I'm either going to catch something or I'm going to fall ill, and it's true, it's always me. So this little medication bag has got everything from antihistamines, because I'm the type of person who smells someone's perfume and have an attack, or I get hives a lot, so I suffer from urticaria, so contact dermatitis. We've got some ibuprofen, we've got some soluble paracetamol, more antihistamine, stronger antihistamine, another plaster, so I'll put my plasters together, some diarrhea tablets. I have this fear, two types actually, ones that you swallow and then instant ones, and just in case I don't have any water. I have this fear that as soon as I get a little pang in my tummy or like a bellyache, I think I'm going to shit my pants. So I've always got to have it with me. I think I also carry it in my bus pass. I carry some spare Imodiums and diarrhea tablets in there because I'm fucking scared of shitting my pants in public. And we also have allergy block. Again, like I said, I'm the person that sneezes 24/7. So these times, especially on the train where everyone's running away from anybody that sneezes, we have some Oragel. So this is more like if you have toothache. I've suffered from toothache before and just carry that with me just in case. We have a bag holder for some reason, so that kind of like hooks onto the table and then you can hook your bag on it. Don't know why it's in my medicine bag, but it's always in there. And then I have these tablets here, which are, they're the best tablets if you suffer from tension headaches or migraines. Excedrin, you can get them from America. I normally get them like if a friend goes there, or I buy them online, but they are the best if you suffer from migraines, really, really bad migraines. I think that's everything for the medicine. That's my favourite thing in my bag actually. And then this doesn't fit in the medicine bag, but Voltarol, like my back pain, my scoliosis, I randomly have twangs of pain, so I just want to make sure that I'm pain free. A tiny pot of Tiger Balm. So again, this is like if I smelt something, I get really nauseous really quickly, so Tiger Balm helps with nausea. If I do have a headache, I rub it on my temples, that also helps, or the back of my neck. Or if I get bitten for some reason, I don't know why, I'll be the person that gets bitten when there's no insects around. And again, if I have like some type of hive outbreak and I don't have any medication on me. We also have hydrocortisone. My bag is looking like a fucking little chemist pharmacy. So yeah, I have hydrocortisone on me because, again, if I do have an outbreak of urticaria or hives, I can quickly dash this on my body. I am a little pharmacist, aren't I? And then we have this. Okay, so this looks a little bit scary, but it's actually not. This is a pain pen. It kind of gives you like little electric shocks at the point of your pain. So I'll always have like pain in my neck or in my back, especially on the left side of my body where I suffer from scoliosis, and this helps to ease the pain sometimes. So I carry this everywhere with me. It does look like a big old fat jumbo pen, and the writing's all come off now, so it doesn't say pain. It used to have like big words, pain, pen. So now it just looks like a little pen, a big fat pen, Buzz Lightyear pen. So yeah, I carry that with me. I've got some coupons in there. You know, I love collecting me some Boots points. I swear to God, every time I go to Boots, they always ask me if I have enough points, and they're always so surprised, because at one point I had about £250 worth of points on there. I don't have that much now because I've been using them, but yeah, always use your vouchers. It's worth it, especially the double points, and some of them you can actually use together. I don't know, I'm getting excited about collecting points, but yeah, I had free money. And then some more receipts and some Norwegian hand cream, and that is what is inside my bag, apart from this Pony blush suede. Jo Malone. I don't remember buying any Jo Malone, but that's what's inside my handbag. So yeah, that is what I keep inside my handbag. It's not that exciting. I don't have nice things in there apart from things that take away pain. But it's very important for me to carry those things because I get attacks very randomly, and if you're not around people who understand or around people who know what to do, at least I can self-medicate. So what we've learned today is that I like to collect points. I have chewing gum for fresh breath. I'm always sanitized. If you're ever in pain, I'm your friend. And if you ever feel like you're going to shit your pants, I'm your friend. If you need some zapping, I'm your friend. And if you suffer from nosebleeds, we can bleed together. And I also like to smell nice while self-medicating. So whether I'm smelling like Tiger Balm or Sanitizer or Chloe, it's a scent. So I'm going to pack everything back into my bag. Oh, fell down. Get your brolly, pen, ID, my hydrocortisone, my chewing gum, my lip liner. I really thought my bag, the stuff inside my bag was going to be more fun, but it looks like I'm completing my doctorate in pharmacy, apparently.